Good morning to all. My name is B. Gopinath and we are here to explain about the basics of JavaScript. And here is my document, and this is here we use as a variable. Variable are three types: variable and let and constant. In variable we can declare and change at any time. In let we can change but we cannot declare at any time. So here we can see that it is block scope. Here we use with the name var character, and here we use let, and in constant we cannot declare and we cannot even change, so it remains in the block. Okay, so they cannot be initialized after constant giving a value. And let's see an example. Here we can see example variable name Alice console.log name. Here we can change it lateral, but we cannot change in constant. And now we can here concept of arrays. We know that arrays is a collection of values. Here we can see that array is equal to, it is syntax, array is equal to element 1, element 12. Okay, here we can create add. Push is used to add to element, pop is added to remove element, shift is used to remove from start. As we do, pop will take from the end and shift we used to take from first, and shift is to add to first. Now we are here to explain about functions and definition. Functions are reusable blocks of code designing to perform particular task. Syntax here we can give by function and function name. Inside have some parameters like arguments, like characters or strings, which is closed within these brackets. It's an example for the function, and here is the function expressions. Functions can also be assigned to the variable, just like this. Now here concept of objects in JavaScript. They are collection of key value pairs used to store related data and functions. And here it is the syntax. Here it is just like an array, but here we can give it to a key function to it, a key value to that answer, just like this. Through this we can access by dot notation, like console.log person.name. Here we can by bracket notation also we can access like this. Just like an array, we can add and we can update a object. It is similar to object, but here we use some keywords. Deleting properties, deleting person's email. Just an example. Now we are here to explain loops. Here there are three types of loop: for loop, do while, and while loop. And here we use for loop. For loop is just for, this is the syntax. Loops is used to use the code repeatedly. For loop initialization, condition, and increment. In for loop all the conditions we give at the starting, and the code will be executed in the form of a code. Here is the example. And this is the while loop. It is the syntax of the while loop. While loop is also like just here we will condition at the starting, and the increment will be given inside the code. Here just here in the example we can see that here we give condition starting, and as it goes down we here can see a J++, it's an increment. And do while loop. Do while loop is same to while loop, but here you can get at least one answer, because here we first execute the code and then we check the condition. This is just like a do while loop. And this is my work. Thank you.